The Dalai Lama, Tibet's exiled spiritual leader, is to step down from his political role. Speaking on the anniversary of the Tibetan uprising against Chinese rule more than 50 years ago, he said the time had come to devolve his power to an elected leader. Sanjoy Majumdar reports.
For more than half a century, Tibetans around the world have looked up to the Dalai Lama. He's been their spiritual and political guide. Now he's decided to step aside. Addressing this gathering at his headquarters in Dharamsala, he said it was time for them to pick his political successor.
Since the 1960s, I've repeatedly stressed that Tibetans need a leader, elected freely by the Tibetan people, to whom I can devolve power. Now we've clearly reached the time to make this happen. During the next Tibetan Parliament, I will formally propose that the necessary amendments should be made to the Charter for Tibetans in Exile.
Over the years, the Dalai Lama has helped push the cause of a free Tibet, focusing the world's attention on Chinese repression in his homeland. Not surprisingly, the reaction in Beijing to his announcement was dismissive.
For years, he has been expressing his intention to retire. We think these are tricks to deceive the international community.
Some see the Dalai Lama's move as a decisive shift, making way for a newer, younger leadership, which may be more aggressive in pushing for independence. But there's also fear that it could lead to a split within the community.
The Dalai Lama is still a deeply revered figure in the Tibetan community, and people here are still coming to terms with the fact that he may no longer be around to guide their destiny. For now, all eyes are on next week's Parliament session in Dharamshala and the election of their new leader. Whoever it is will have their work cut out for them. Sanjoy Majumdar, BBC News, Delhi.